Okay, this is Trenchless Innovations. We're at 509 South Pella Avenue in Mount Prospect, Illinois. Right now we're televising from the outside cleanout in the front yard. We did clean up the sewer line, but we're going upstream right now. I got a big guide on. I couldn't see this connection without switching to my bigger guide, so I'm going to film it now. Now switch to the smaller guide and go actually past this area. But right now we're in 6-inch clay. And we got a connection about 9 feet in on our left. This is where there was heavy tree root coming in at this joint here. And that could be an old downspout or drain tile connection. There is no sump pump in the basement. So as I push further in here, you can see some cracking here. And then that's where we go to the 4-inch cast. So I'll pull back here. And then I'll switch my guide so we can see going into the cast. Go to PVC here. Here's the clay, PVC. Pause it and switch guides. Okay, I'm pushed all the way upstream just to check everything. We did have the customer flush the first level toilet. It did come down the stack here.
And then I'll hear back from Rhonda once he's done.
Connection here at 35 feet. There's no bathroom in the basement. There's just a floor drain, so that possibly could be where the floor drain is tying in, but we're staying well short of that area. Just kind of want to verify some stuff. So we'll be adding our liner somewhere in this area. I'll get a mark here because on initial televising there was some tree root, or looked like tree root around 18 feet. So we'll go a little bit past this area since there's no connections here. I'll pause it here and just get a mark. Okay, we marked it there. We'll go back here. We'll mark for the 4-inch too. Okay, I put a mark there for my 4-inch too as well, a black mark. Pull back here. Our original video when I was here was around this area where it looked like there was some tree root, but it could have been just some debris that was hanging up here, but we'll still line, you know, past this area. Like I said, we'll be right in here. 20-foot mark. Don't see any other cracks or anything like that. Should be good. But when we got here today, there was no tree roots in this cast area. Making a turn here. 45, our camera goes easy past that. 4/6. I'm making a mark here for my 4-inch length. There's the 4/6. We'll be underwater here, but that's where our connection was and where that joint was with the root. Here's our PVC. So we'll start our liner. We get started here. Pause it here. Start on the PVC. Okay, pause it and we'll get our downstream marks. Okay, now we're pushed out to the city main. We're going to get our marks here. There's a drop down, so we'll mark it somewhere in this area here with a blue mark. Okay, we got our mark here. Actually, going right here, about a foot back from the main. We're dropping down into that main. One here. Heavy cracked area right here. Right there, that'll press up the liner. Connection somewhere. Yeah, maybe it's closer to me. There's that connection, about 9 feet from this clean out. We don't see anything in the yard, maybe an old clean out there. That's a grassy area. Loose tree right there, gonna flush out. PVC. So we'll start our liner here for this joint. Start our liner there. PVC here. And then we hit a T and we're coming up our riser.